All right. Ooh, Chrysler 200. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh, hey, whoa. Okay, guys. Yes. My man, he's doing it by the book, guys. In order to do a radiator or condenser or anything in the front, yes. Technically, I tried to cheat one time. Oh, you talking about whining and crying? They got these radiators and condensers slammed in here so freaking tight. You almost have no choice. You want to save your skin? You might as well. And plus, that's not hard to do. It looks like a lot of work. Don't let it look intimidating, guys. It's not that bad. It's just a lot of stuff, but a little bit of work. Just a bunch of connections and bolts and screws. It just look intimidating. It's not. But you want to save yourself a headache? Yes, go ahead and do that when you're dealing with a radiator, or either. In fact, look how this radiator connects. Yeah, it's a pretty. This is a Chrysler 200, 15 on up. 9-speed front wheel drive, 940 ATE transmission. Look like a new cat. So if somebody's investing and they gonna keep this baby. Yes. Look at that external cooler. What y'all wanna guess this go to? Uh either the transmission or power steering. I don't know. Here's a transmission line. And they go, yeah, guys. This thing has external cooler in the front. Well, I say that because most of the coolers are built inside of the condenser. Not the case here. All right. Ooh, Wrangler, a nice, pretty one too. Hey, old school V6. What y'all know about this one, guys? It's not a Pentastar. It's not a V6 3.6. This is a 3.8. Found in mostly all of the older model minivans. Yes, I told y'all, don't sleep on the V6. All right. Yes, if they put it in a Wrangler or 1500, look at this wheel. Look at everything this engine has to power. It's 4-wheel drive, I can almost guarantee you. Big wheels in the mud, digging off. Yes, you got to have some power in this engine to accomplish all of that, right? Right. What is he doing? I have no idea, guys. This is nosy 30, nosy hour. All right. So what I'm gonna do is actually what they doing in used cars. Y'all want to go take a sneak quick peek at the used car department, see what he got going on over here? Yeah, he gonna knock this out, slam that out tomorrow. 1500. Was this over here last time? Oh, another one. Oh, oh, oh. One side out though, guys. Are we chasing a ticker? I don't know. Told y'all guys, these guys are pretty sharp. They slam these in and out like it ain't nothing. We got one head off. Where is the banks? Oh, okay. Hey, I don't think this go over here. This looks like a Pentastar cam since. Oh, oh. Wait a minute. Something don't look right. Wait a minute. Oh. Why do I see 5 lifters up here on one bank? I don't know. Ooh. What's missing here, guys? Who can tell me what's missing? Oh, you geeks out there. I know Dart Hemi know. Not you, Dart. You set this one out. What's wrong with this lifter, guys? Where is the thingamajig that goes right here? Okay. But I only see one bank out. So he must have the other ones. Yeah. I'm going to get in his ear. He'll be here tomorrow, so we'll find out what he's up to. All right, over here. Hey, it's Pentastar. Who knows? Could be as simple as a tune-up, guys. I know y'all automatically thinking the worst. Oh my God, another ticker? No. Could be a simple tune-up. And guys, y'all know what I see? I see a beauty of a car over here. Y'all take a look at this beauty right here. That is a beautiful car. Look at that. Love these cars. No, guys, it's mine. It's mine. I drove this to work today. It was the only thing I had out there in the yard. I got to fix that with some gas in it. When I go outside, I jump in whoever got gas in it. All right, we'll see what happens. All right, this side. moving right along, ladies and gentlemen. Now, oh, I see a 300 with the hood up and the valve covers off. And ticker maybe? I don't know. It doesn't have to be a ticker, guys. It could be something else. Who knows? All right, remember I told y'all about these? We talked about these? Watch this video right here. I can show you how to get those. That is the spark plug tube seal. Sometime over time they will get hot and just decide to stay on the tube. It's not supposed to do that, guys. So there's a special tube, but you don't have it. If you don't have it, you don't have to have it. All right, I'm tired of talking about the Pentastar. They making us look bad. What's going on? Hey, look at this beauty here. What is this? A 300? Ooh, look how he painted the top. Wait a minute. Look at the. Oh my goodness. He just went shh. This is cute. All right, the little break. Hey, okay, we're not gonna do that. All right. Hey, Pentastar on the Chrysler 200. All right, guys, I'm at the end, and hey, I know what this one ain't in for. Now I can brag. I can continue to brag on these. This is Gen 3, guys. You see that EGR cooler? Yes, Gen 3 Pentastar V6. Yeah, I've never seen that. I've never had to take the valve covers off, so I've never obviously had a ticking issue with that. Is there problems? From what I'm hearing, yes. Just that I haven't had one. All right, and y'all worry about the old car I'm doing on it. I'm still waiting on authorization. All right, watch this video right here so you'll know what's going on. This car came in overheating and misfire, everything. I'm waiting on. They had to give me some extended time to keep going with the diagnostic. I've exceeded my 1 hour diagnostic time, guys. This is a transmission for that Cherokee outside. All right, Chrysler told us to shut up and simply install the unit. I tried my best. I ain't gonna say to get out of it, but I did not want to replace this unit. I was actually hoping it was something easy. And the reason being, these not that bad, but this car is equipped with a PTU. It's an all-wheel drive Cherokee. All right, those make for some real fun. I'm no fan of doing anything with a PTU or a transfer case. So I got to get that in tomorrow and knock this out. And something else, I got another big job over here. Yes, y'all see this part right here? Ladies and gentlemen, this is a flywheel. All right, yes, flywheel, and I got 2 dowel pins. Remember, guys, if the mating between the block and the transmission is not sufficient and secure, this flywheel can crack. All right, so I tend to replace these when I'm doing a flywheel. The center of the flywheel gonna be broken. Y'all heard that. Watch this video right here. Well, I diagnosed this car. This very same car. They now bought the work, so now I'm trying to slam this up.